we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch, it's 09. I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps, cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the 6. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, where I'm at, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to go missing. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the #1 spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some break lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite like this. Hopped in the ghost, it ain't even got mileage. They gon' remember the name cause I'm timeless. Say time is money, just know mine is priceless. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. Unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch, it's 09. I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps, cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the 6. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, where I'm at, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to go missing. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the #1 spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some break lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track.
If my video is lagging, tell me. If my video is lagging, I'm not going to switch to video one. I'll just do it without the video.
I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep.
It's lagging a little bit. So I think I'll have this session. Yeah, I'm still on the Mac. I didn't prepare. I wanted to move the session to Tuesday, but I just said, F it, let me just do it today because I have a lot of things that I have to do tomorrow. Actually, I have a lot of things that I have to do this week and next week. I've been very busy recently. That's why the uploads have not been much recently. Yes, it's the Mac. Hello, Shabab. Hello, Jara or Jaro. Hello, Troy. Hello, Jara again. He said how to buy a Lambo from trading. Well, you have to have money to be able to trade first. Okay. Then, actually, you have to learn how to trade first. Okay. Then you get money, either by saving, either by finding investors, one way or the other. Depends on how you want to get it quick, you want to get it slow, depends on your environment, depends on so many other things. For now, I'll just pause the video. Anyways, yeah, so it's lagging a little bit. Let me just pause the video for now. Boom, boom, boom. Let me see. Can I switch off? No, let me not turn this off. Camera. Let me see. Camera. Anyways, 1 minute. So where was I? And it's quite hot today in Holland. Today, I don't know why. Anyways, let's just go straight to the point. But my voice is not lagging though. Is my voice lagging? Is the chart lagging? If any other thing else is lagging, let me know. All right. So today we'll start with where are we? We will start with EURUSD. What are your thoughts? Is the trading view chart lagging? Said, what are my thoughts on trading a funded account challenge with my system? You can do that, but the funded account has to favor you. Okay, most funded accounts, they give you very low leverage. Okay, and if you are using very low leverage, it's not going to be easy to hedge. Actually, it's almost going to be almost impossible, and they know that. That's why they give you very low leverage. Okay, a lot of them can give you high leverage, but then that will make them lose money. They give you rules that are meant to make you lose, not help. They are not rules that will help you succeed. So me personally, I always use my own funds. I know there's only one that I know. They give you at least like 1 to 300. I can't remember the name. So yeah, even 1 to 300 is still kind of small, but to me, that's the best funded challenge that I've seen out there. I can't remember the name. Yeah, but the others, they give you less leverage, so it's just a scam. That's why I don't do funded account challenges. Anyways, let's see. Euro USD. All right. So Euro USD, in our group, we're looking bullish at Euro USD. Okay, please, if you can't pay more. Anyways, so yeah, Euro USD was, and still it was in a consolidation here. Remember the last time? Push up, push down, push up. So it's slowly moving in a consolidation, which is not good for someone who wants to trade the market. Okay, it's not really good. It's just moving from consolidation to consolidation, and usually we have this kind of markets during the summer period, but the summer period started early in around February this time. You know I'm online. You know I'm online. You're messaging me on Telegram. You're messaging me on WhatsApp, on email. The moment I go online, some of you guys just start messaging me. What do you want me to do? You want me to leave my live and answer you? That's why I block some people. Anyways, yeah, so we're consolidating here, pushed up, did our consolidation here, pushed up again, did our this kind of market is not good. Some people act like, oh, it's my fault. Like it's my fault that the market is this way. But when you leave them alone to do it themselves, they start losing and then they come back. Okay. So for now, we move this buy on Euro USD. And yeah, we're just in a consolidation. If you know how to scalp, I would say for this kind of market, just scalp. Just scalp in between these consolidations. Because this consolidation is not going to stop till, I would say, earliest August or September. August or September. If you notice, most people don't even trade during this period. So what we're going to have is push up, push down, because the market is not volatile. There's nothing happening in the market. Push up. If you're someone that is going on travel, holidays, or whatever, this is good for you because the market is stable, right? It has some form of stability. If you're someone that buys some things in bulk, this is good for you. However, if you're a trader, not really good for you. Push down. So what do we expect? Push up. Okay. If you're in the VIP group, like I said, you can join the VIP group for free for 3 months to 12 months. The VIP free trial access might be closing soon. The VIP trial access might be closing soon. So if you want to join that, just message me trial on Telegram, link in description below. What are your I took a system B trade on Euro USD this morning. USD JPY is crazy right now. Yeah, I didn't even touch USD JPY. I didn't touch USD JPY. I just left it. It's done for the day. You know, when I wanted to touch it, I looked at it, London session, it was already over. So yeah, where were we? I expect a push up. You know, like I keep on saying, the maximum it can go short is 1.0675. Tomorrow we have to see what the market is going to do. If you're in the VIP group, that's when you'll be able to know, because in the VIP group I post signals and analysis every single day, Mondays to Fridays. I only do it once a week on YouTube, right? either on Monday or Tuesday during New York session, like we're doing it right now. But in the Signal group, I try to do it during London session if I can see something early, or New York session, right? But first things first is usually London session. If I don't see anything, then it will be New York session. So far, so good. The market is just consolidating. Push down, I expect a push back up here. And I predict that the market is just going to keep on consolidating till August or September. Okay. If you want to trade the consolidation, that is a gamble. You are risking your account. Unless you know how to hedge, then you can be taking this trade. But for now, the best thing that is to do is to scalp. If you want to learn how to scalp, go to hedgingmastermind.com. Okay. Hope you guys can hear me properly. Anyways, let's move on to GBP USD because I don't really see anything on Euro USD for now. Even the trend, I don't really see anything on the trend. And also, NFP is this week. Okay, NFP is this week. So you have to be very, very, very careful. We have NFP this week, so there's a lot of manipulation. Maybe after NFP, we might see some movements. But for now, if we started this week in consolidation, we just have to wait and see. Just have to wait and see. Now for GBP USD, we were right on GBP USD. The whole movement, it didn't consolidate. However, there was no good entry. We said it was bullish. We're looking at here that if it broke this point, we expect it to go to this point. It did break this point. It went exactly to this point. We said if it breaks this point, we can expect it to go to 1.255, and it did exactly as I said. It went to 1.255. Now, what do we see next? Where do we expect it to go to next? Let's see. We can still expect it to continue to go bullish all the way to 1.2 or 1.27. The thing about GBP USD is that we can see entries. We can do the analysis, right? However, finding a good entry is not that easy on GBP USD. Let's see what is going on. Let's see GBP USD, GBP USD, GBP USD. With GBP USD, it is possible to take a buy 1.25. It is possible to take a buy if we get back to this point and target 1.27. Set your exit at 1.2. It could be 1.2. Let's see, 1.25. Set your exit at 1.25. Risk to reward ratio about 3.5, risking about 45 pips for 150. But we'll have to wait till tomorrow for that, for more clarity. For now, this is just the analysis. Tomorrow is when, or later today, we'll see. I'll put and I'll keep my Signal group updated after this session. But, so let me just set my alerts there in case we get there. But I'm bullish on GBP USD. I expect it to continue to go bullish. And if it continues to go bullish, this is the analysis I see. I'm not going to enter right now. I'm going to wait till I get my trigger. Then I'll tell the people in my VIP group. So this is what I see with GBP USD. We have been correct on the analysis all through so far. We've been bullish since here. Broke this point. Said if it breaks this point, we continue to go bullish. Broke this point. We said if it breaks this point, we expect it to continue to go here. So we've been correct all the way through, and we still expect it to go all the way to 1.27. Okay, as long as it does not break below this 1.2475 area. Okay, so let's move on to USD JPY. He said, with hedging, I have no fear. All the stop loss boys are shitting themselves right now. Yes, but they won't listen. That's all they know. You know, they are so used to panicking. They are so used to having fear and all this kind of things. Hedging is the way. Hedging is the way. Hedging is the only way that can save you in trading. It reduces so much fear. All the money that you would have lost moving it to break even, you can actually take gambles with more confidence when you're hedging. You can actually take more risk when you're hedging. If you're using stop loss, trading would be a nightmare for you. It would be a big nightmare. So here's the JPY. We have NFP news this week, right? And what do you expect? Pure manipulation. Pure manipulation. When USD JPY went bullish, I told the people in my VIP group there is no signal, but still I expected the market to drop all the way back down, and it did. It shot up as the market started. It shot up. So many people would have been buying all the dumb money, and once it had enough people fooled, dropped all the way down. Once it had enough people fooled for selling it down, it started spiking all the way up. You are not meant to participate in every single manipulation of the market. You are not meant to do that. But some people, because they don't know what is going on, they jump into everything. It goes up, they buy. It goes down, they sell. If you learnt my system, you will know when to participate in the market. You will know when not to participate in the market. Plain and simple. Like I said, if you want to join the Signal group, make sure you have at least $50 to be able to fund your account, and send me trial on Telegram. You can join it for free and test it for free. Plain and simple. You can test it for 3 months to 1 year. Free. Anyways, thanks to my software, it does all the analysis. All my students, you can even see one of my students is telling you live and direct that he's using the system, is using it to hedge, is using it to take the same scalp trades that I take. Because some of you see the video and you're like, oh, no. These are people here that are using the system. They are hedging with it, they are scalping with it, and they are telling you that it is better. Anyways, it's all your choice. And we don't use support and resistance. We don't use indicators. We don't use moving averages. We don't use Bollinger Bands. We don't use all those nonsense. Simply look at price. You understand what is going on, and you try to react to what is happening in the market. Plain and simple. You're not trying to beat the market. You're not trying to control the market. And every time you trade, it increases your confidence because you are doing the same thing over and over, and you are getting better and better. Anyways, let's move on to GBPJPY. I don't see anything on USD JPY. I don't see anything on GBPJPY. All they wanted to do was manipulate the market. All they wanted to do was manipulate the market for people because of NFP news. Now you don't know if the market is bullish. You don't know if the market is bearish. They fooled people into taking buys. They fooled people into taking sells. And everyone lost. This is why you need to be in the Signal group, so that you can get this kind of analysis every day with updates and signals. Anyways, GBPJPY, I don't see anything. This is NFP week. Guys, remember, stay careful. There will be a lot of traps. You do not need to participate in the bullshit. Stay safe. Watch what is happening in the market, and you react to the market. Do not try to beat the market. Let's move on to gold, last but not least, because I don't see anything on USD JPY and GBP JPY. We have to wait till tomorrow for that. Let's see gold. Remember to join the Telegram group. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of this year, 2024. We have over 7,000 members so far. Oh, and yes, on the account that I'm scalping, I'm going to make a withdrawal. So the next 50 people to join the VIP group, I'm going to select 5 to 6 people out of those people, and out of those 50 people, and I'll just use the funds that I withdrew and just divide it into 5 or 6 people. I'm going to fund your account with at least $500. So because I already have my own account, I only use that scalping account to display my system. Let's see. There's something I wanted to check. Can't remember what I wanted to check. Yes, oh yeah. So gold is kind of consolidating. The same thing that was happening with EURUSD. You see, EURUSD, gold, and GBP USD are kind of moving the same way. There was a consolidation down, but they pushed up a bit, another consolidation, pushed up a bit, another consolidation. This is my fear on taking trades right now, because if we push up, it might decide to come back down again, right? I want to take a buy on gold, but my fear is it will get to this point and start to push down again, all because it wants to manipulate, all because it wants to make traders lose. So it's not making for an interesting market. It's just very annoying, just very, very annoying, very, very annoying. So for now, I'm bullish on gold. I'm trying to buy at let's see, I'm trying to buy at 2345. Let's just say 2345. My target is 2425, which is about over 800 pips, almost 850 pips. My exit will be, I want to keep my exit here at 2315. It's almost 300 pips, but makes the risk to reward ratio 3-1. But the exit can also be 2320. Make the risk to reward ratio 3-5. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait and see what is happening in the market. I just don't want to buy and then it to pull back. That would just be very annoying. Very, very annoying. Because this is NFP week, and I'm aware that the market is just trying to make traders lose. That's the thing. Unless I take the gold trade, it pushes up a bit. The moment I see momentum slowing down, I just take my profit. That's what the market is forcing us to do. Even if you want to swing trade, you are going to be forced to scalp, because there's NFP and the market is slowing down. After this NFP, there's going to be CPI news next week. So it's quite annoying. Very, very quite annoying. Anyways, that is what I have for today. Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY. The past few months, from the middle of February, March, April, has not really been the best month. The moment the market starts moving very well, you start seeing a lot of more people being like, oh, where did you have your entry? Where did you? A lot of times while I'm streaming, people are saying, oh, where's your entry? Where's your exit? This and that. But we've already discussed it. Every Monday, I always discuss it. I always show the entry. I always show the analysis. I always do it before everything. So let's see. On my main account also, I think I'll make a withdrawal. I want to buy something big. Let's see. Let's see. NFP week. So if you don't have my system, you haven't gone through my training, then I pray for your account this week, because you're going to, no, not a new McLaren. I want to get something different. It has been quite complicated. Getting cars in Europe is quite complicated. It's not as easy as Dubai or UAE. It's very, very complicated. Very, very. And the funny thing is, they make the cars here, but it's more expensive here. Yeah. So we'll see. Anyways, if you have any last minute questions, put that in the comment section. I'll put that in the chat before I go off the live. And for all those people who always wait for me to go live before you message me, hopefully you decide to message after the live stream also. And we'll see how it goes. For those in the VIP group, well, tomorrow, we have to wait till tomorrow to see what is going to happen in the market. Then, like I said, most of what is going to happen all through this month is don't expect the market to move fast. Don't expect your swing trades to go and hit the final take profit. If you're in some profit, you see the market slowing down, take profit. Take all the profit you can take. This is going to last till probably August or September. This slow market is going to last till August or September. It's not my fault. I don't control the market. I react to the market. The market can do whatever it wants, whenever it wants. I just know how to adapt to it. You are in good profit, the market is slowing down, take all that profit, because there's going to be a lot of consolidation for the next few months. We still have May, we still have June, July, we still have August to go to. So at least 3 to 4 months of the market behaving like this. Okay, so I'll be off very soon, and we'll see next week.
I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the 6. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, well, man, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to go missing. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the number one spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some Drake lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite like this. Hopped in the ghost, it ain't even got mileage. They gon' remember the name cause I'm timeless. Say time is money, just know mine is priceless. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. Yeah. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep. Yeah, it's hard to keep. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch is so 9. I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep About to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the six. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, well, man, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to don't miss it. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the number one spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some Drake lines.
You said why would this is the last question I'm answering before I end the session. You said why would the consolidation last? For two reasons. We are in summer period, so this is how it is usually during summer period, but it's usually like this during June, July, August. However, it started in February this year. I don't know. Then secondly, we have NFP news this week on Friday. So when there's NFP news, two things happen. Either the market continues to move in one direction very fast and it doesn't slow down, or it consolidates till there's till the NFP news comes on Friday. This happens every month. Now, the reason why it does that is because when it's consolidating, people are buying, people are selling. They don't know the direction of the markets, right? And if what the market does is with news, that's the only time the market can manipulate peacefully, right? Because you have to remember it's the economy of the world, the economy of countries. Euro USD is the currency of Europe and the US United States. So most traders think it's all about them. No, these are the currency of countries. The market cannot just do whatever it wants just because just because it's trying to make some people lose in Forex. The only time it's allowed to manipulate is with news. So it's going to hold the market for a long period of time. If too many people are buying, it's going to go bearish. If too many people are selling, it's going to go bullish during NFP. His main job is to make people lose. So now he's accumulating trades. He's accumulating people to buy and is accumulating people to sell. Because when you look at consolidation pushes up, it pushes down. It pushes up, it pushes down. When it pushes up, people buy. When it pushes down, people sell. Okay, so once there's enough people going in the wrong direction, then it waits for news and then goes against where most people are. And then a lot of people lose without the market doing too much. He said, "Hi, sir. I am in your VIP signals. Sir, mostly you give trades risk reward ratio 1 to 3 or 1 to 5. But when that trade triggers, you mostly told us to close the trade. I say close part of the trade. I'm not saying close all the trade. And you have to understand, we are in summer periods. The market is not moving that much. We're in summer period, the market is not moving that much. If you see the market slowing down, then close the market. Close the trade. Because what is going to happen is it's trying to make other people lose. So close your profit. Now, if we're in normal market period, if the market is going up, it continues to go up for a long period of time. You can see that yourself when you look at the charts. You can see that almost all the pairs are consolidating. So it just makes sense to take a lot of profits immediately once you start seeing it slow down, because you don't want to go back into loss and start holding it. Take your profits and move on. If it was normal trading period, we would go for that 100 pips. We would go for that 200 pips. We would go for that 300 pips. So that's just what it is. You adapt to the market conditions. You don't try to force what you want. You are not the only one trading. There are millions of people trading, and there are almost billions of people using the currency. So you just have to adapt. This is going to last till August. The market is just going to consolidate till probably July or August. So we adapt. Anyways, guys, like, share, and subscribe. We'll be right back with another free live signals or analysis session either next week, Monday or Tuesday. Make sure you have your notification bells on and you click on notifications. If you want to join the VIP group, message me trial on Telegram. You can have access to it for 3 months to 12 months, depending on the conditions. And yeah, hope you guys have a nice trading week ahead. If you have any questions, send me a message on Telegram. Make sure to join the Telegram group, free, and we're trying to get to 10,000 members. Link in the description also. And make sure to comment. I always reply to every single comment, and I have a video that is going to be uploaded tomorrow, so stay updated for that. We'll be right back soon. Cheers.
We don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be